Hello, my beautiful people. Yeah, our trading is trading. Yeah. See, take profit is about to hit. Take profit is about to hit. This is Euro USDT. Let's check out the others. Let's check out pounds, euro USD. Let's see pounds USDT. Ah, pounds USDT has a long way to go for it to hit the take profit. I am sure of this analysis that I did. I am sure of this analysis, and I believe it's gonna take profits. It's gonna hit my take profits. Yeah, you can see how the chart looks. Then USJPY traded using USJPY. USJPY. Let's see. This one too has a long way to go. All right. Thank you. Thank you. This one is for today. At times you have losses. I didn't do this analysis very well. I want to analyze on the phone. I couldn't get it. This is the losses, but by now I'm gonna recover it definitely. You see, we're sitting at 900 and something, and it's gonna hit the take profit. By the time the take profit hit, it's gonna be more than this. So you see, the trading is trading. Thank you and bye for now.